राहुल जी।
आज अखबार में लिखा है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा है कि ऑपोजिशन को कंस्ट्रक्टिवली सरकार के साथ कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए। ऑपोजिशन ने क्लियरली कहा है, राजनाथ सिंह जी का खारगे जी को फोन आया, राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी से कहा देखिए आप हमारे स्पीकर को सपोर्ट कीजिए। ऑपोजिशन, पूरी ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है, हमने सब के सब से बात की है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि हम स्पीकर को सपोर्ट करेंगे, मगर कन्वेंशन ये है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन को मिलना चाहिए। राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कल शाम कहा था कि वो खारगे जी को कॉल रिटर्न करेंगे। अभी तक राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी का कॉल रिटर्न नहीं किया है। तो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन हो, और फिर हमारे नेता को इंसल्ट करा जा रहा है। तो नियत साफ नहीं है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी कोई कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, क्योंकि कन्वेंशन है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन का होना चाहिए, और हमने कहा है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि अगर कन्वेंशन फॉलो किया जाएगा तो पूरा समर्थन स्पीकर के इलेक्शन में हम देंगे। तो ये मैं आपको क्लैरिफाई करना चाह रहा था। हाँ, यूपीए के समय में हमने दिया था। तो मेरा कहना है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी कहते कुछ हैं और करते कुछ हैं, यही इनकी फॉर्मूला है, यही इनकी स्ट्रेटजी है, और इनको ये बदलना ही पड़ेगा। थैंक यू। देखिए इशू क्या है कि पूरा देश जानता है कि प्रधानमंत्री के शब्दों का कोई मतलब नहीं है। प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं कोऑपरेशन होनी चाहिए, सबको मिलकर काम करना चाहिए, बाहर वो कहते हैं और अंदर कुछ और करते हैं। और हमारे लीडर को कहा गया कि कॉल रिटर्न होगा, अभी तक कॉल रिटर्न नहीं हुआ है। धन्यवाद।
All right, so you heard in fact from Rahul Gandhi, who says that the opposition was not informed about this and they were told that there is going to be a call that's going to be returned, and that call never came. प्रधानमंत्री कुछ करते हैं, कुछ कहते कुछ और है, करते कुछ और है, is what Rahul Gandhi has just in fact told reporters right at Parliament. He's also said that the convention is that the speaker is from the government and they're willing to support. However, they also need clarity on the post of the deputy speaker. He's saying that they are offering their support to the government on the appointment of the speaker, which indicates that there will be no contest. However, Gandhi said that the opposition was not kept in loop by the government on the issue of the name of the speaker. That's what he said. Mallikarjun Kharge was to receive a call from the government and that was not forthcoming, is what Gandhi has said. He's hit out at the Prime Minister, saying that the Prime Minister doesn't live up to the promises that he makes. There was a call that was to be received and that call was never made, is what is being said by Rahul Gandhi as we speak. Om Birla to be the next Lok Sabha Speaker for the second time. We do have a confirmation on that. However, Rahul Gandhi has said that a call was to be received by Mallikarjun Kharge, but that call was never made on the particular name of the speaker. The convention is that the government chooses the post of the chooses the name as far as the speaker is concerned. Listen in once again to what Gandhi said.
राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी से कहा देखिए आप हमारे स्पीकर को सपोर्ट कीजिए। ऑपोजिशन, पूरी ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है, हमने सब के सब से बात की है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि हम स्पीकर को सपोर्ट करेंगे, मगर कन्वेंशन ये है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन को मिलना चाहिए। राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कल शाम कहा था कि वो खारगे जी को कॉल रिटर्न करेंगे। अभी तक राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी का कॉल रिटर्न नहीं किया है। तो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन हो, और फिर हमारे नेता को इंसल्ट करा जा रहा है।
Amit Bharadwaj getting us more details. Amit, The Rahul Gandhi indicating that there was a call that was to be made to Mallikarjun Kharge on the name of the speaker. They were willing to support, however, they wanted the name, and that essentially, that phone call was not forthcoming. Listening to Akhilesh Yadav.
जो हमारी राय पार्टी की है वो है कि उपाध्यक्ष विपक्ष का हो और बाकी बातें अभी सब सामने आ जाएंगी।
आप लोग सपोर्ट करेंगे नहीं करेंगे?
अभी सामने आपको दिखाई देगा, इसी स्टूडियो के बाद सदन है।
Opposition not giving clarity on the post of the deputy speaker, says Rahul Gandhi. Essentially, the opposition has said that they are supporting the government, which means there will be no contest on the post of the speaker. However, the opposition was not kept in the loop, is what Rahul Gandhi has said. We'll in fact listen in to Rahul Gandhi once again, who's gone on to say that Kharge was ignored and insulted by the NDA. The Prime Minister says something and does something else altogether. He can't be trusted with his words, says Rahul Gandhi. Amit is in fact back with us for more details. Amit, the opposition, they're expressing their discontent as far as keeping them in the loop is concerned. They said that they were supposed to make a call back to us. That call was not forthcoming.
Right, this has been the formula that we were also reporting on, that India will be speaker's post and the India bloc wants the deputy speaker's post, and that is why the pressure tactics was also being employed in news by India bloc leaders. And now Rahul Gandhi has made it clear that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh had called Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, and had sought support for the speaker's post, BJP or NDA speaker candidate, and to which Mallikarjun Kharge had extended his support, but the condition was that the deputy speaker has to be from India bloc. Rahul Gandhi is claiming that while Rajnath Singh assured that he will be calling back on this particular issue, no call has been written.
Be with us. I'm just coming back to you, Amit, in a moment from now. We have pictures coming in. In fact, let's take a look at these developments. All right. Amit, in fact, is going to be joining us in a moment from now, but Rahul Gandhi essentially spoke about the fact that the opposition was not kept in the loop. I'm just going to go back to Amit for more on that. Amit, Gandhi, they're saying that you insulted the opposition, you insulted our leader.
Right, Sneha, Rahul Gandhi is saying that or claiming that because he's saying that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh had assured that he will be calling back as far as the issue of Deputy Speaker is concerned, and that call has not been made to Mallikarjun Kharge, and this is sort of insult to their leader and the India bloc. That's what Rahul Gandhi is saying. The entire consensus that has been built on the Speaker's post is on a parley, is based on a bargain of sorts, that while the BJP and NDA will get the Speaker's post, the Deputy Speaker's post has to go to the India Alliance or the opposition in this particular case. And there's a whole, precedence to it. You go back to, except for 16 and 17 Lok Sabha, the opposition parties have usually gotten the Deputy Speaker's post, and that is what the India bloc was also mounting pressure for. Now, Rahul Gandhi is saying that while Defence Minister Rajnath Singh called for to seek support for, BJP or NDA's Speaker candidate, he had assured that he'll be calling back as far as the issue of Deputy Speaker is concerned, and that return call has not come. This is sort of an insult to the India bloc, or rather the leader in this particular case, Mallikarjun Kharge. So we have to now see as to how the government reacts to this particular stance of the opposition, because the entire deal, the bargain is based on this very fact that the Speaker's post NDA will get the Speaker's post, and the opposition or the India bloc will get the Deputy Speaker's post. So it's barely 1 hour from now. The Lok Sabha has, we'll have to see as to how the Parliamentary Affairs Minister or the government responds to this particular comment made by Rahul Gandhi.